It actually means the frame is designed in a flexible way to give a little in the wind. If conditions are particularly windy, the frame is designed to turn inside out. The crucial point is that the frame will not break. It is designed to turn inside out, however, then return to normal without breaking. A windproof umbrella work? Particularly fragile, such as joints, are usually covered in tempered steel, which makes them extra durable. After hours of research and after taking an expert advice, we have included a top 5 best windproof umbrellas links in the description box for each product mentioned. So make sure you check out to see which is your budget range. Number 1. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Light, compact, and easy to carry. This umbrella opens to a 4.2 arc, 3.8 diameter, and folds down to a small 1.5 length, so it's easy to take along with you when shopping, going to work, walking your dog, attending sporting events, or for travel. Fits easily in your bag. Color coordinated case. Matching wrist strap on handle. Auto open with rubberized handle. Rubberized matte black coated handle has molded finger grooves for ergonomic comfort with the latest fashion touch. Handle won't slip when wet. Quick opening of the umbrella with an auto open button. Number 2. Heavy duty wind resistance and UV protection tested. The Gorilla Grip umbrella is built for all-weather durability. Constructed with 8 reinforced fiberglass ribs and a tear-resistant canopy, the umbrella can tackle high winds without bending or snapping. Windproof up to gusts of 23 miles per hour, rust-resistant for long-lasting use. Also provides protection from harmful UV rays up to 20 UPF. Compact and lightweight, umbrella canopy is 42 inches wide when fully expanded for maximum coverage, and collapses down to 11.5 inches, so it can easily fit inside backpacks, purses and other carry bags. Plus it is so lightweight at only 0.9 lbs, perfect for on the go, includes a convenient carry pouch. Number 3. Automatic Open Golf Umbrella. Extra heavy-duty design. The G4 Free Ultimate Golf Umbrella is an ideal companion for golfers and business professionals, or for daily life. With its sleek all-black design, comfortable EVA grip, sturdy frame, and auto-open mechanism, the G4 Free Ultimate Golf Umbrellas are perfect in a metropolitan city or a sports field. Protects from the elements, never get caught in the rain or sun again. The G4 Free Ultimate Golf Umbrella will protect you from anything Mother Nature can throw at you, rain, hail, or shine. The canopy uses ultra-water-resistant 210T pongee fabric. This silk-derived material is lightweight and water-resistant with SPF 50+ protection. Number 4. The Oversized Golf Umbrellas. 51-inch is a haven for golf lovers, businessmen, and daily travel. The Golf Umbrella windproof with a diameter of 119 centimeters can shield 1 to 2 people from the wind and rain. The warmth under the umbrella warms each other's shoulders. The extra-large Golf Umbrella is made of glass fiber with high toughness, which is strong. The Golf Umbrella double canopy vent design is adopted to weaken the wind and resist strong wind. Our Golf Push Cart Umbrella is like a tall and straight tree standing upright with a waist pole, standing in the wind and rain with tenacious vitality, and welcoming wind and rain with the best posture. Number 5. Syapasa Inverted Reverse Upside Down Umbrella. Unique double layer and reverse opening and folding design. Fold the top wet layer into the under dry layer when you step into your car or store or wherever, which prevents water from dripping, keeping floors and cars dry. Comfortable frosted C-shaped hand grip design. Cross the C-shaped handle over your arm, made your hands free for holding a baby, bag or mobile in the rain. Top with 8 steel ribs of frame, transformed into 8 legs upon contracting. The umbrella can stand up on its own when closed, and be convenient for you to place anywhere. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and like our video.